Let's talk about Tesla stock and make some predictions, because right now the stock is giving up all the gains that it made during the bear virus era. If we take a look at the stock price here for about end of 2020, when the bear virus started to ease off a bit, we can see that during this huge money printing phase where we printed a lot of money that caused the inflation we see today, the stock absolutely soared, and today they have given up all of those gains and they are trading lower than they did in the end of 2020. So with this in mind, it's interesting to theorize and think about where the stock price is going for Tesla. They've had an amazing 5 years here with 500% gain, but right now they're only trading at the price to earnings ratio of 38, and you can compare that to previous price to earnings ratios that they had that were above 1,000. And as I covered in a previous video, we can see that the earnings have increased steadily at quite the rapid pace. If we take a look at some more of the financials here, we can see 50% year-on-year revenue growth, 40%, 80% here for March 2022, and then 64%. But the most interesting part is indeed the extreme increase in earnings per share. 750%, they just flipped a switch and became profitable. Here you can see 630%. These are great increases in earnings, and with this growth, I think that the price to earnings ratio that they currently have is very reasonable, and it could indeed be in value investor territory, or at least starting to get there. But if we should price them at the price to earnings ratio of Facebook at slightly above 10, so I think it's 11 or 12 something, then indeed stock price could fall to 60 something. But in this case, I think it's unreasonable to assume that Tesla will hit low to no growth anytime soon. There's still strong market demand and they're selling every car that they produce. So I believe that the future is indeed very bright for them. We still have not seen the Cybertruck in the market. When it comes out, I will be very keen on trying to get one. It looks absolutely amazing. So given how consumers view this company, the stellar reputation that it still has, and the strong demand that we can see for Tesla product, I think that the stock is cheap right now and that it has potential to go a whole lot higher. But given this macroeconomic environment, everybody's scared, every stock is basically selling off, and it's impossible to predict a bottom. It could continue to go down by tens of dollars before bottoming out and then continuing to go up. But just remember, the company is not making less profit just because stock is going down. It's not making 10% less in profit just because stock price falls on 10% for a single day. It's still continuing to grow revenue and earnings. And in my opinion, the stock market is being irrational about this aspect. And as we will follow this company going forward, I think that given current levels, current key ratios such as price to earnings, there's potential for quite a bullish case for investors who decide to go into this company. As always, do your own due diligence, and I hope you make a ton of money whatever investments you decide to make. Take care now. Bye bye.